Welcome back, friends, and in this video I am going to tell you a very interesting thing. Here you are just watching this 6:26 p.m. If you want to see this clock, this side or middle, or you do not want to see, and some another clock settings, I am going to tell you very quickly in this video. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this if you like the video. So just go to the Galaxy Store and download one application, official application, Good Lock. I have already downloaded it. So this play icon is coming, otherwise you will find the down arrow download icon. So download it, open it. After opening, you will end up here, TRS Makeup Live Off. So here just go to the makeup. So in makeup, just go below and here you will find quick start. In quick start, if you are turning it on, you will find many things. One is clock setting. So AM PM you can do from settings also, but this position and visibility, right, height or left, it is coming in right. Now left, see, it has been shifted to left, and I do not want to see, so hide it. Nothing is there in the status bar of Samsung mobile. So you can shift from right to left depending upon your choice. What do you want to see, AM PM? If you want to see, just turn it on. So this is one makeup type of things for Samsung mobile. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.